Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book Singapore Airlines ticket online. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Singapore Airlines, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, you can see if you want to go, just search for Singapore Airlines and just scroll down until you find this website, singaporeair.com. So this is their official website. So yeah, right here you can just log in or sign up for an account, or you can use the link. And yeah, as you can see, if you go to their website, rightly here you can directly now search for available flights on Singapore. So yeah, this is one of the best platform you can use when you're, especially when you're from Singapore and you want to book a flight, local or international. So yeah, for example, I'm going to use Singapore Airlines, and right here I will have a search filter that I need to just input. So it depends on the flight I want to go. So for example, I want to go from, yeah, for example, I'm from Singapore. Let's say I want to go from Singapore to China. Let's say China, uh, Beijing, China. After I choose my departure location and my arrival location, I need to set up my departure date, preferred departure date, and return date. So it's up to me. So for example, let's choose June 25. This is my preferred date, for example, and my returning date is July 2. So just let's click done. And after I click that, I need to choose my preferred class of flight, whether it's economy, premium economy, business, or first or suits. Yeah, it's up to me. So I rather choose economy, and I need to, fill up also the number of passengers. So if you're traveling alone, you can just stay it as one, and if you have children with you, just add it if you want right here. And yeah, so after you're done modifying your search filter, just click search so that the Singapore Airlines will show you available flights based on your preferred settings like this, for example. So after I click search right here, so let's wait a moment. So now right here, the Singapore Airlines will show me all available uh, flights on my chosen preferred date, and also returning. So my preferred date of departure is uh, 25, June 25, and my returning date is July. So this is the available flights on that date. So as you can see, I can see the travel duration. So I can see their duration each flight. So if you want to have more shorter flight, you can choose one. You can see it right here. So this is the most shorter flight between this other flights. So as you can see who operated them. So as you can see, this flight is operated by Air China. This flight is operated by Singapore Airlines, and the rest, I think. And you can also see their Airbus number, or our flight number. So you can also see their flight number. You can see the time of departure and the time of arrival. Yes, if you want to see more details, just click see more details, and you will see more the location, for example, the location of the airport and the terminal. And as you can see right here too, so same thing again, the airport and also the terminal, and same thing with this. So yeah, as you can see, you will also see the type of class available to them. So as you can see, in this case, only economy class flight are available. And if you want, you can sort them to travel duration, price, arrival time, or departure time. So it's up to you what aspect you're focusing. So if you want to travel more shortly, just click this one, so that they would list right here the least to most, shorter duration when it comes to the travel. And for the price itself, the most cheapest one, and for the arrival time, the most earliest early arrival time, and the most early departure time. And yeah, that's it. So it's up to you. You can just choose then. So this is for departure only, and for the return, this is it. So yeah, you need to choose them. So now let's choose their travel duration based on price, for example. So you need to choose economy. So right here, if I click economy, it will show me three types of economy class: economy value, economy standard, and economy flex, which it has their own benefits that you will get. So the more better, the more higher the price. So as you can see, this is the most expensive among all economy value. So let me choose this one first. So after choosing my departure time, I would now need to choose my returning flight. So this is now a returning flight. So first, this is Singapore to Beijing. So now my returning flight from Beijing to Singapore. So this is the only available flight based on my preferred date. So this is my preferred date. So I can now same thing again. I can choose the my preferred flight based on my situation. So let's choose since I want to get more cheaper flights. So let's choose price. Let's sort the list by price and choose the cheapest one. So right here, I need to choose same thing again, the class of economy, economy value, economy standard, economy flex. So let me choose this one. So it's free. So yeah, as you can see right here, after you're done choosing your departure flight and return flight, you would see the summary of your fare condition. So if you want more information, just click this link right here. But this is the summary of your flight. So from departure, this is your information, and for the return flight, this is your information. So yes, so after you're done, just click proceed and let's wait. So just a moment will take you there. So now you will need to go to enter your passenger details, my title, first name, last name, and if you do not have a first given name on your passport, just check it. If you're under 18 years old, just check it. It's up to you, and you need to input your date right here. And now for the frequent flyer details, this is only optionals. But if you have this one, you can just if you're a member, you can just select your frequent flyer program and your membership number, so that maybe you can get discounts. And for the contact details, you also need to have a contact details right here, communication preference, phone number, yeah, etc., etc. And you can choose where would you want to send the flight updates, whether text message or whether WhatsApp. So yeah, it's up to you. So after you input your personal details, just click seat selection. So you would now click next. You would now have to choose your seats. So let's wait a moment. So right here for departing flight, so I can just choose my seats right here. So as you can see, this is the legend, and you will, based on the legend, you would see how many available seats are. So the clear green has a forward zone seat, so it adds extra fares. But if you want to go to standard seat, you can choose them for free. So this is free, and it's already included to your ticket. So but if you want to use the forward zone seat, you can do so. It's much better, but it will have an extra fare. So yeah, as you can see right here, so let me select this seat. Also, you can see the whole diagram of the inside of the plane. You could see the exit right here. You could see the restroom, and also the galley. Yeah, you can also see the location of bassinet. You can also see whether that row of seat have windowless seat. You can also see if the seats are all equipped with this one, so 110 volts AC, or if they have 11.6-inch HD touchscreen monitor. So if you want to watch something, etc., etc. Yeah, they are all available here, and you can just choose your preferred seat if you want to have these things. So this is for departing flight. So for my returning flight, let's choose this one again. Choose my preferred seat for my returning flight. So let me choose this one. Select seat. So now after you're done choosing your seats, you can now go to add-ons. So if you want to add additional, for example, additional baggage, etc., like that, you can do so right here. So if you want to add travel insurance, additional baggage, recommended hotels after you arrive in your location, also they provide this one. So that if you go to your location, they will all already you will already been booked to a certain hotel. So yeah, that's why this is one of the best platform to use. So as you can see, there will be recommended hotels in Beijing where I want to go, and I can just purchase or book already a hotel right here. So yeah, if you also want cars, yeah, you can do so. But after you're done with this add-ons right here, just click next. And now you can now review your review your booking, complete your payment and authentication within 8 minutes, or this booking session will expire. So you can see the information of the summary of your flight right here, and also their price, total price. So the grand total is Singapore dollars 692.4. This is my total, and I need to select my payment method. So it's up to me. It's up to you. You can just choose your preferred payment method, and you need to pay it right now. So now you just need to input your credit numbers, your payment method information, and after that, just check this first, check this, also this, the terms and condition, check all of this, and after you input all of these information right here, just click make payment and you're done. So the Singapore Airlines will email your contact information about the update of your book if it's processed or if it's already confirmed. So you just need to get the required documents, passports that are like that, ID, on the day of departure. So yeah, that's it, you're done booking. And that's it for this video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.